Hi guys, my name is Miguel, and yeah, welcome to this tutorial in Microsoft Word. So we're going to be going over for this session changing images in our document. So how to bring in searching for images from the internet. So we're going to be searching for some of those, bring them into Microsoft Word. Once it's in Microsoft Word, I will be showing you how to resize the image. So making it bigger, making it smaller, making our adjustments need be to make it fit nicely into our document. I'm also going to be showing you how to just basically move the images around. So making it fit neatly, you know, laying it out neatly in our document around any other elements that we do have. We're also going to be going over adjusting the background of the text box. Making our adjustments to that box so that it does fit and just presented nicely, just picking out some design styles and, you know, just making it look nice. So yeah, let's get into it. Maybe I want to change our color for the text box below, so I'm just nudging it here. So below, basically same thing, format, and we can adjust our color again. Maybe I'll make it say blue for variety. There we go. And yeah, we've added a bit of color here, and I see there's a lot of white space here, so I'm just gonna fill it maybe with some images here. Okay, so same thing again as we did before. We can insert some images. Now say I like my heart, so say this one, I like this one. We can create another one, simply copy it, Control C and just Control V, and there you go, you get a copy. And let's move it down, shall we? So move it down there, and it's a bit big for me. So again, with this, drop down the box on the edge of your image, left click and drag it, it becomes smaller. Again, hold shift so it's not skewed. There you go, and it's smaller. Now there's also the option for us to change the color still of this one, so it's not a red. Basically under format at the top, so we go left click here in format. Let's have a look. So for these images, now for this one, see how sometimes you get basically you don't get the options up here to adjust the color. It appears this one is grouped, these images. So if I'm just clicking each individual heart, as you can see, there's another gray box, lot of boxes that come up, circles. That's because this is combined image. So you get so it's combined with all these little hearts. So if we want to adjust this, we just right click it and we click grouping, ungroup. So there, all of the hearts are now separated. So yeah, we can adjust it now. Let's do that. Left click out here again to deselect. So let's just move them around randomly, and then so just decorate our Valentine's poster with hearts all around, and there you go. So you can see, looks nicer. And if we wanted more hearts, just left click an image, Control C, Control V, and then you can get more of them. Again, it's up to you where you place these images. It's completely up to you. If you do get something like that, it moves funny, just move it around again. Or if that does happen, simply go to our wrap tools again. So you go format, wrap text, and in front. That'll mean you can basically move it anywhere. So I'm just gonna leave this hearts, maybe rotate it slightly that way. There you go. So put some hearts below. I'm just moving these. So you left click in the white area. So with this one, make sure you do get those arrows again, as you can see with my mouse. I'll zoom in a bit. So you can left click and drag, left click and drag. And yeah, you can move it anywhere. It's up to you. So I'm just laying it out a bit here. Every time I am resizing the image, I do hold shift, like here, so it does keep the proportions of the image, it doesn't skew it. There we go. And we can yeah, adjust say our shape fill, so maybe a different shade of red. There. Maybe something like that. And maybe make this one bolder. So maybe we add a outline. Something like that. Yeah, red. Let's see. So we want an outline. So 3 points. And shape fill. Let's make it. Let's see. Outline. So make it a red color. There we go, maybe black, red. If we do want more outline colors, we can also click that one, more outline colors. Let's see, more. And just move this box to left. So I'm just left clicking from here and drag. And then we can pick more options here. Set a really dark red, click OK. There you go. Just left click and deselect. There we go. We've added some more heart shapes into our card there. And yeah, we've adjusted our image. So again, to copy it, left click, Control C, Control V, and then you can paste more hearts into your image. Hi guys, this is Miguel Aragon, and yeah, I hope you really enjoyed what we covered in our short course for today. So, pretty much in recapping, we covered some main topics here. So we brought an image into our Internet Explorer, our web browser, whichever one we're using. We had a search for that on the internet and brought it into Microsoft Word. Once in Microsoft Word, we resized the image. So we just made our adjustments to the size of it, and taking into consideration the other elements in our document, such as our images and text box, just making sure it does fit in neatly with those other things there. Whilst doing that, we also made adjustments of moving the images around. So again, it's all about layout, it's all about placing it neatly in our image, placing it nice and presentable, so that we can just publish it later on and it is nice and neatly laid out. You don't want any items that are just placed randomly and it just doesn't look nice. We also covered adjusting the background of the text box. So playing around with our various styles that we do have in Microsoft Word. There's a range of options there. Picking one, making a change to it, getting a preview of it. Microsoft Word, that's the powerful thing about it. It does give you an option to see the how a design would look, a style, or whatever options you choose, and then it gives you a preview. So it's a good chance to see what it looks like before you actually apply the change. So for our next series and tutorials, we're going to be tackling adjusting more text. So pretty much the third text box here in our document. So hope you see you there and hope you learned a lot in this lesson.